Relatives of those who have died in custody or who have loved ones grappling with mental health issues behind bars gathered outside the Central Courthouse in downtown today. They were voicing their concerns over the inadequate mental health care and growing number of in-custody deaths in San Diego County jails. David Settles' brother, Matthew Settles, was schizoaffective. He died in custody at the George Bailey Detention Facility in August 2022.
He was delusional. He was off his treatment. He was needed the help to get stabilized. Mom and I and his family, we feared that would be a death sentence for him, and it absolutely was. The jails are not at all, able to handle the mentally ill.
A survey found 40% of San Diego County arrestees reported being diagnosed with a mental or psychiatric disorder, and about 25% use psychiatric medication. Cheryl Canson stood holding a poster board decorated with photographs of her two sons who are imprisoned, one suffering from paranoid schizophrenia and another with bipolar disorder. She says tighter policies could reduce jail deaths caused by drug overdoses, lack of medical care, and suicides.
Overdoses continue to happen. My son got a heroin addiction inside prison. He didn't have it before he went in. So how are these drugs, how accessible to them?
San Diego Sheriff Kelly Martinez and former Sheriff Bill Gore have consistently declined requests to subject deputies to drug scans. Supporting the families were advocates pushing for changes in the jail system to better assist inmates struggling with mental health issues. They say that behind bars, people with mental health conditions often face neglect, abuse, or even death. Yusef Miller is Executive Director of North County Equity and Justice Coalition.
We cannot arrest our way out of mental health crisis. We cannot punish our way out of mental health crisis. That we need change in San Diego County jails. We have been the highest in custody death rate for a very long time running, and it is a shameful record that we still currently hold.
Sheriff Kelly Martinez has a $500 million plan to upgrade jails and decrease deaths in custody. But San Diego still maintains one of the highest rates of inmate deaths in the state. 185 lost their lives from 2006 to 2020, according to a state audit. An additional 36 people have died since its release in 2022. Gina Burns is a mother facing the daunting reality of having two incarcerated sons with severe mental illness. Alongside other families, their collective message to Sheriff Martinez and county officials is clear.
Kelly Martinez, I'm holding you accountable for all these deaths and all this trauma that's been based on these people with severe mental illness, including my sons. Accountability means change, and change needs to happen.
Heidi de Marco, KPBS News.